Hi everyone, welcome to Scratch Coding Journey. Today we will make a story in Scratch by using the Say Something block in the Looks category. First you have to think of a story. Let's add two sprites and a backdrop. I added a robot and a cat and they will talk with each other. Also, they have to face each other, so go to the robot's costume and click on Flip Horizontal. Go back to the code and pick a green flag code. Now go to the looks and join the code Say Hello for 2 seconds. You can change the text here. Let's write a dialogue. Hello, strange fluffy creature. So the robot is going to say this dialogue for 2 seconds. You can also change the number of seconds here for long dialogues. Now go to the cat and add a green flag. Go to the control and add pick 1 second block and change it to 2 seconds. Because the robot is talking for 2 seconds, the cat will wait for 2 seconds and let him complete the dialogue. Now let's add the dialogue for the cat. Get the code and change the text. Let's add one more code and add the next dialogue. This dialogue is a little long, so let's change it into 3 seconds. Now the cat is taking 5 seconds to talk, so the robot will wait for 5 seconds and then he will talk. Next, 2 dialogues in the robot. He will take 5 seconds again to talk, so add the wait for 5 seconds code in the cat. And then add the next dialogue. Let's run the green flag and see how it goes. Great! This is how you make interactive stories in Scratch. Your task is to make a story between 2 characters with different scenes. Hint: use the switch backdrop option for the scenes.